Ninja, Ninja, what's up now? Una dey fuck up now. Nigeria in crisis, problem just dey rise since. Consume be one in Naija, go and learn your tactics. If you no sabi fight, go and start to practice. Military shooting the youth, the thing just surprise me. If I go protest, then shoot me, consign me. I no go know when stray bullets go come behind me. But I no go die, it's not my time, they no go find me. Make person help me tell the devil to get behind me. Say pity for us, our leaders chop everything. Our money dey their hand, we never touch any pin. If I was the government, I wouldn't hurt any kid. Sources of income for poor masses, them block everything. Para dey my mind, I no go lie, my mind dey heavy. Politicians dey rob the citizens on a steady. If God no put am for your matter, forget it, I said it. Don't let me big vex, reach me to the wall, make don't blame me. We no want them again, change them, we don't tire. Any young boy sass, see if they like, them fire. Person no green unlucky phone before you know them fire. The plan like to Islamize Naija and bring Sharia. Men them bond our politicians, carry them go. Even the so-called ESCC, carry them go. Even the so-called SARS, make them carry them go. Even the so-called anti-cultism, carry them go. God help us. If you no go put am, nobody self go put am. My nigga sick and shoot am. We have fire, they may nobody go chook am. Together we go put am to make our country super. The thing just too much. Then go to use our head, then go to shit for our head, then go to thief for our bread. They got the power, say they can actually seize our breath. Nigeria no suck, them mama breast. They say Nigeria don't they owe. How? Nigeria get enough money, they no fit owe. Now, they no care about the whole east and the whole south. To the government, you are just shit, no doubt. All their children, they started overseas. The hustle no fear ever like them provide all their needs. Meanwhile, poor man they bleed and tell them get down on your knees. They should be in our position to know how it feels. Our people they suffer. Who go carry the matter go God? Go report them. Now who go stop them? If Nigeria was my father, tell me one no go stop them. Fine cloth where young boy buy, him no feel rock am. They say them go bring change. Buhari don't bring change. These days, if they had to buy something, leave change. They intentionally make the citizens to feel pain, but they claim to have collected independence from Britain. They say no be military shoot, they say na bandits. All the lies they been telling us, I used to count it. When them do battle finish, then go they shine teeth. Come and close down your mouth, why you just they shine teeth? Road no day, food no day, common employment for graduates is still no day. Families they suffer, if price day, still no day. We are slaves in our own country cause we see no gain.
Swag on the mix.
When I bundle our politicians, carry them go. Even the so-called ESCC, carry them go. Even the so-called SARS, make them carry them go. Even the so-called anti-cultism, carry them go. When I bundle our politicians, carry them go. Even the so-called ESCC, carry them go. Even the so-called SARS, make them carry them go. Even the so-called anti-cultism, carry them go. Nigeria be like sheep, but it be like say the sheep don't divide. Nigeria be like film, for the film where citizens they cry. Nigeria no dey try, our leaders no dey try. But we the citizens just dey fight for our right. And we won't stop fighting until we get what's rightfully ours. Rest in peace to all the peaceful protesters who lost their lives on 2010-2020 at the Lekki toll gate in Lagos. Condolences.